Have you ever picked up a red box of McDonald's fries, felt the warmth, smelled that salty aroma, and thought, what exactly went into making these golden sticks of happiness? They taste so simple, yet behind every crispy fry is a story that stretches from vast potato fields to high-tech factories. Today, we're taking you on that journey step by step. Welcome to Food Factory, where we uncover the fascinating process behind the world's most iconic foods. Potato origins, the foundation of the fry. Let's start at the very beginning, because no potatoes, no fries. McDonald's doesn't just buy random spuds from any farm. They rely on carefully selected varieties that meet strict quality standards. The stars of the show are Russet Burbank, Ranger Russet, and Chipotle potatoes. Why these? They grow large, which means long fries. They have the right balance of starch and moisture. Their texture holds up beautifully during frying. Think of them as the elite athletes of the potato world, specially chosen because they perform best under the pressure of mass production. McDonald's partners with farmers across the United States and parts of Canada. These farms dedicate thousands of acres solely to growing potatoes destined for French fries. From the soil quality to irrigation schedules, everything is monitored to meet McDonald's exact standards. Harvesting. The first step in the journey. When harvest season arrives, things get busy. Farmers use enormous harvesting machines that dig deep into the soil, gently lift the potatoes, and separate them from dirt and rocks. These machines work row by row, collecting tons of potatoes every single hour. But it's not just about speed, it's about precision. Potatoes are checked continuously for bruising, cracks, or deformities. Only the ones that meet the company's visual and physical standards move on. Once collected, the potatoes are loaded into trucks. And these aren't ordinary trucks. They're carefully padded and ventilated to prevent damage during transport. A bruise today could mean a bad fry tomorrow, and McDonald's doesn't take that risk. Storage, keeping potatoes fresh. Next stop, storage facilities. Potatoes can't all be processed at once, so warehouses are designed to keep them fresh for months. Inside, the conditions are cold, dark, and humid, almost like a giant refrigerator cave. The temperature is kept low enough to stop sprouting. Humidity prevents them from drying out. Air circulation ensures that no hot spots or rotting patches form. These potatoes can rest here for up to half a year. During that time, sensors monitor their condition daily. Workers rotate stock regularly, so the oldest potatoes are always used first. This step is crucial, because the fries you eat in summer may have started their life in a field the previous autumn. Entering the factory. The transformation begins. Here's where the real magic starts. Trucks deliver loads of potatoes to processing plants. The moment they arrive, the spuds begin a journey through high-tech systems that will turn them into the fries we all recognize. Step 1. Washing. Huge rotating drums and sprays of clean water scrub off every trace of soil. Brushes and jets remove any dirt that survived harvesting. Workers visually inspect the conveyor belts, pulling out potatoes that don't make the cut. By the time this stage ends, the potatoes are spotless. Peeling. Back to bare essentials. Now comes peeling. Industrial steam peelers blast the potatoes with high-pressure steam for just a few seconds. That steam loosens the skin, and then rubber rollers gently scrape it away. Why steam instead of knives? Because it's faster, more efficient, and minimizes waste. In fact, steam peeling removes the skin so cleanly that more of the potato is preserved for frying. Cutting. High-speed precision. Here's the most exciting part. Slicing. Imagine a potato shot through a tube at nearly 70 miles per hour. straight into a grid of razor-sharp steel blades. In less than a second, the potato transforms into dozens of perfectly shaped fries. Why so fast? Speed ensures consistency. Every fry is identical in length and thickness, which is crucial for even cooking. This step is so intense that workers describe the slicing machines as both mesmerizing and terrifying. Thousands of fries per minute shoot out the other side, all ready for the next stage. The special treatment. Blanching and dipping. Freshly cut potatoes look like fries, but they're not ready yet. First, they take a quick bath in hot water. This blanching process removes excess sugar from the surface. If left untouched, those sugars would caramelize during frying and turn the fries too dark. Next, they're dipped into a solution containing dextrose, a natural sugar, and sodium acid pyrophosphate. Sounds complex, but here's what it does. The dextrose gives fries a uniform golden color. The pyrophosphate prevents them from developing harmful compounds when cooked at high temperatures. This step ensures fries look the same, whether you buy them in Tokyo, Toronto, or Texas. Drying, preparing for crispiness. After their chemical dip, the fries are carefully dried. Industrial air dryers blow warm air over them, removing surface moisture. Why? Because too much water would make them soggy and dangerous when dropped in oil. This drying step sets the stage for that crisp outer shell McDonald's fries are famous for. Partial frying, locking in flavor. Now comes the first fry, but it happens at the factory, not the restaurant. The fries are briefly fried in a blend of vegetable oils. This does two things. It creates a protective outer layer that preserves texture. It partially cooks them, so restaurants only need to finish the job. The oil blend is carefully designed. Years ago, McDonald's used beef fat, which gave the fries their legendary taste. Health concerns forced a switch to vegetable oils. But to maintain flavor, the oil is infused with natural beef flavor, made from wheat and milk derivatives. This subtle seasoning is one reason McDonald's fries taste so unique compared to other fast food chains. Flash freezing. Putting fries on pause. After partial frying, the fries aren't shipped warm. They're sent through a blast freezer tunnel. This machine uses freezing air so powerful that it chills fries to below zero in just minutes. Rapid freezing keeps fries fresh, prevents bacterial growth, and locks in flavor. Think of it as putting millions of fries into hibernation until they're needed. Once frozen, the fries are packaged into large bags, sealed, and stacked onto pallets. Shipping, a global network. McDonald's operates thousands of restaurants in over 100 countries. To keep fries consistent worldwide, refrigerated trucks transport the frozen fries under strict conditions. These trucks act like rolling freezers, ensuring the fries never thaw on their way to restaurants. Supply chains are so finely tuned that fries harvested in Idaho can appear on trays in Asia, Europe, or Africa within weeks. Final fry. At the restaurant. When those frozen fries arrive at your local McDonald's, the final step begins. At the restaurant, staff pour fries into wire baskets and lower them into vats of hot oil. The temperature is carefully set, so the fries cook evenly in about 3 minutes. As soon as the timer dings, the fries are lifted, shaken to remove excess oil, and tossed into stainless steel trays. A precise sprinkle of salt follows, measured for the perfect taste balance. McDonald's enforces a strict 7-minute rule. Fries that sit longer than that are thrown away. That's why they taste so fresh every time. Pro tip: if you want the freshest fries possible, simply ask for unsalted fries. The crew will have to make a new batch just for you. Fun facts about McDonald's. Fries. Now that you know the process, here are some fun tidbits. McDonald's sells over 9 million pounds of fries every day worldwide. That's enough to circle the Earth nearly 2 times if laid end to end. Fries are the most popular menu item globally, beating out the Big Mac and Chicken McNuggets. In the 1990s, when McDonald's switched from beef fat to vegetable oil, many fans swore the fries never tasted the same again. Nostalgia or truth? You decide. The company even has researchers constantly testing soil, potato breeds, and frying techniques to ensure consistency for decades to come. And there you have it, the full journey of McDonald's French fries. From potato farms and storage warehouses to high-speed slicers, chemical baths, and global shipping, it's a process designed for one goal: delivering that golden crunch in every bite. So next time you dip a fry into ketchup, you'll know just how much science, engineering, and precision went into making it. This is Food Factory, where we reveal the secrets behind your favorite foods. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and join us for the next episode. Until then, enjoy your fries. Crispy, golden, and now a little more magical.